Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Janine. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Stranger Things Season 5 Volume 2 release in India daytime episodes 7 and what to expect. Stranger Things Season 5 Volume 2 arrives on Netflix in India on 26 December. Here is the release time, episode run times, cost details, plot highlights and what to expect from the final chapters. Written by Skina Kokiwala, entertainment journalist, updated on 23rd December 2025. Netflix Stranger Things fans in India finally have a day to mark on their calendar. The season 5 volume 2 is set to release on the streaming platform on 26 December at 6:30 am East, following its premiere on Christmas Day. With the final stretch of episodes, the show promises to deliver longer runtimes, higher stakes, and emotional moments for fans who have followed the Hawkins group over the years. Longer episodes make Volume 2 feel like a trilogy. Volume 2 consists of 4 episodes with a combined runtime of over 5 hours. Episode 5, Shock Jock, runs for 1 hour and 8 minutes. Episode 6, Escape from Camazotz as 1 hour and 15 minutes, while episode 7, The Bridge, lasts 1 hour and 6 minutes. The final episode, The Right Side Up, is the longest running 2 hours and 8 minutes. Co-creator Ross Steffer shared these details recently, giving viewers a clear idea of how much time they will spend saying goodbye to the series. Here's what to expect in Volume 2. The story picks up after Vikenna abducts 12 children, moving closer to his plan to take over the bird. The Hawkins group races against time to uncover the town's darkest secrets. The teaser trailer released on 16 December reveals shocking twists. Dustin admits that everything they believed about the Upside Down was completely wrong. Will expresses fear that it may already be too late, while Joyce reassures him that the fight is far from over. The trailer also shows tense sequences, including a hospital scene where Max is hunted by demo gorgons and Eleven seeking help from aid her fellow Hawkins lab experiment to track Vikenna. The main cast returns, including Winona Ryder as Joyce Beers, David Harbour as James Hopper, Millie Bobby Brown as Eleven, Finn Wolfhard as Meg Wheeler, Gaten Matrazo as Justin Henderson, Caleb MC Laughlin as Lucas Sinclair, Noah Seshnap as Will Bears, and Sadie Singh as Max Mayfield. Other returning actors include Natalia Dyer, Charlie Heaton, Joy Carey, Maya Hockey, Paria Ferguson, Biran Gelman, and Jamie Campbell Brower as Vikenna. New characters also play important roles as the story moves toward its conclusion. Netflix has announced a special theatrical release for the final episode, screening in around 500 US cinemas from 31st December, continuing into 1st January 2026. After the great plot in ending explained it and I escaped the disaster or did humanity end long before credits Netflix. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.